So this is the original data set for the Tableau project that I did. It is the youth suicide deaths in Washington State from gender age 0 to 17. And so taking this data, I went and did a Tableau project. And so this is the overall female male suicides in the Washington counties. Um, the male, or yeah. And so the blue is female and the orange is male. And then I went and I took that and I put it into total suicides per county. But I was curious as to how that would look split up gender wise. And so from there, I went and I took this and I split it into females per county. And you can see that King County is pretty big. And then I went to males, and you can see King County over here is big as well, and Pierce. Um, wasn't as bad with the females, but King County was definitely big overall. And so that kind of took my mind into Pierce and King counties appear to be the highest rated for teen suicides, but why? So that was what I wanted to compare. And so here we have both of those. Um, and I just wanted to see them side by side. And I ended up writing a article which I will send to you, and I ended up calling the Washington State Health Administration people that are over the suicide awareness section and got some information for that. So, yeah.